Okay, moving on to functions now. Fortunately, they work pretty much as you'd expect in Python. The syntax looks like this. You define a function with the def keyword, followed by the function name, followed by any parameters you want to pass in with their names. Be sure to end the function definition with a colon. After that, your code within the function needs to be indented. Python's all about the white space, remember. So here we have a super simple function called squareIt that just takes in one value, calls it x, and returns its square. Calling the function works exactly as you would expect. Just type in squareIt and then 2 in parentheses to get the square value of 2, for example. Let's run it. There are a few funky things you can do with functions in Python. For example, you can actually pass in another function to a function as a parameter. This is something that allows Python to play nice with functional programming languages, which you encounter a lot in distributed computing. We can create a function like this called doSomething that takes in some function f, some parameter x, and returns the result of f of x. So we can actually say do something squareIt, 3 as a really convoluted way of getting back the square of 3. But it works. By the way, did you notice that this block of code still knows that the squareIt function exists, even though we defined it in a previous block? Jupyter notebooks run within a single kernel session, so anything you define or modify before the block you're running